Hey there, it's Tom Corson-Knowles, and in this video I want to talk to you about how to install the Facebook pixel on your website if you're using WordPress. Now, it's crucial that you set up your Facebook pixel on your website properly because what your Facebook pixel is going to allow you to do with your ads is really track what happens once someone gets to your webpage after they click on your ads on Facebook. So you can actually track how many people sign up for your email list or how many people buy one of your products or services using the Facebook pixel. So if you don't set up the Facebook pixel, you won't have any of that data and you won't be able to make good decisions about which of your ad campaigns are working and which ones aren't working, because you won't know that unless you actually have your Facebook pixel set up. So all you have to do is just log into your ads manager account in Facebook. If you don't have a Facebook ads account yet, just go to facebook.com/ads and set up your account. Once you log in, come up here to the ads manager panel and click pixels, and then just click setup pixel. And there's two options here. You want to click copy and paste the code. And then the first step is install the base pixel code. So what you do is you just click this here and it'll automatically copy it to your clipboard. And this is your Facebook pixel code. And what you need to do is put this code on your website, on every page of your website or every page of any site you're sending traffic to. So if you're sending ads to a website that you have, or ClickFunnels or Lead Pages or some other third-party website that you're using to build squeeze pages or sales pages or something like that, you want this pixel on all those pages. You also want this pixel on all your shopping cart pages as well if you're using any kind of shopping cart system like SamCart or UltraCart or something like that. So once you've copied the code, all you have to do is put it on your website. So if you're using WordPress, the easiest way by far to install this code on your website with WordPress is to install a WordPress plugin that allows you to install code next to your header tag. So essentially, this code for the Facebook pixel is best put in the head tag, or just below the head tag in WordPress. And if you don't know what that means, it's not a big deal, because you can just install this plugin here. It's called Header and Footer. Just install this plugin in WordPress. You can download it and install it manually, or you can just go over to plugins in WordPress, click add new plugin, and then you can actually search for the plugin. So it's called Header and Footer. And there's a bunch of them. So you want to avoid the ones with like 1-star reviews and not many installs. This one has 200,000 installs and lots of good reviews. So I'm guessing that's probably a good plugin to use. So you go ahead and just click install now. And once that plugin is installed, you can just go ahead and copy and paste the code into the plugin wherever it says the head tag. And once that's done, what you want to do after that is you want to install a plugin for your web browser called the Facebook Pixel Helper. So I'll show you what that looks like. So if I go to my website and I go to this plugin right here called the Facebook Pixel Helper, it'll say here, one pixel is found on this website. Here's the pixel ID, and it'll say pixel initialized right there. So it says that the pixel is working, and then it'll tell you everything here about the pixel. So once you install the pixel on your website, install this Facebook Pixel Helper plugin with Google Chrome, or I think it works for Firefox and other web browsers as well. But you want to use this plugin to make sure that the pixel is actually working on your website. So once you've installed the main pixel on your website, then you want to start installing the conversion pixels. And so these are called event codes. And when you just start out, you can just use the regular event codes. There's actually something called custom conversions in Facebook, which are pretty advanced. But when you're starting out, just use this basic event codes. And so there's two main codes you're probably going to want. One is for leads. So if you have a new signups for your email list, this would be a lead for your business. And so just go ahead and copy that code and then install that code only on the one page where the one page that people get to immediately after they opt in, right? So after they sign up into your opt-in form, the next page, which is usually called the thank you page, the page that they go to immediately after that, is going to be your page where you install this code. So you don't want to put it all over your website, because then you'll get all these things called leads in Facebook, which aren't real leads. So if you install this only on the thank you page that they see immediately after they opt in, that will track all of your leads from your Facebook campaigns. And so what you do is you just go into WordPress. If you're using like a WordPress page for your thank you page, you just edit that page and then install this code on that page. If you're using like ClickFunnels or something else, then you would install that code on your ClickFunnels thank you page. Now the other thing you might want is a purchase event. So if someone buys a $57 product on your website, the thank you page for that product is where you would put this code, and you can also customize the value of it. So I usually for leads, I put the value of 0 because I don't really want to track the value of my leads. I just want to see how many I get based on how much I spent. But I do want to track the conversion value of people who buy products. So if people buy, a $247 product, then you'd want to put that value in that code so you can see how much money you actually earned from your Facebook ads. Now, there's all kinds of other things as well, add to carts, initiate checkouts and stuff. But the leads and the purchase are the two main events you want to track. So if you have people buying things from your website or signing up for your email list, you definitely want to install these pixel codes on the thank you pages that they see immediately after they take the action, so that you can track all of your leads and all of your sales on your website that come directly from your Facebook ads. Okay, hope this video has been helpful for you. Wishing you an incredible day. Take care.